My country people, I throw a salute. I good una especially. Now this video now for anybody will be graphic designer, will be video editor, or say you be content creator and you need any software or program where you will take the design your content and they post for social media. Then I want to introduce this tool for now. This tool or program, they call them Canva. And Canva na very easy and a professional tool where anybody fit use. Take the design in graphics, design video, edit video, and then create content when I go to post for social media. So if you want software, you go fit take design business card like complimentary cards, and design wedding cards, design t-shirts, design mug, design hoodies, design calendar, design business logo, poster, flyer, brochure, website. If you use Canva, design website. So Canva dey very easy to use, e no hard at all. So anybody can learn how to use Canva. And so we don design a very special video wey go teach una everything wey una need to know about Canva. How to use Canva to create content, how to use Canva to market your product, how to use Canva to develop your business brand, how to use Canva to set up real estate companies, to set up businesses, and then to do so many things. So Canva dey very easy to use and anybody can use Canva. Now Canva get the free version and it also get the professional version. If you check, you will see say the professional version, the pro version, e go for $149 every month. But this video now will show you how you will take get Canva and use it Canva for free without paying this amount of money. We'll show you how to join team where Canva dey allow to use the professional version, and you will join that team. We'll teach you how to join the team. So when you join that team, you will use all the feature ready for the pro version of Canva for free without paying any amount of money. So click the link below. If you need this particular course, we're going to teach you everything where you need to know about Canva. Click the link below so that you will fit buy this course, study am. When you study and finish, you go become professional yourself. You don't need to pay graphic designer again to do your editing. You don't need to pay video editor again to do your video editing. You don't need to pay anybody to design content for you to post on social media. So we don't design all the course, design everything. We will teach you step by step how you will take become a professional Canva designer. And so when you study this course, go through all the videos, you will see that you will learn everything within a short period of time. And then before you know it, you don turn professional. You begin to dey make money online because you go fit dey create content now for your Facebook, for your TikTok, for your WhatsApp, for your Instagram, and any other social media platform. Where you fit dey create content for people too, and dem go dey pay you. You go dey make plenty money. So make una buy this course. Click the link below now. Get this course, and then make you become professional Canva and graphic designer, and professional Canva video editor, professional Canva content creator. Click the link below and make you get this course. Thank you very much.